Today, I am reviewing the Yale P7500 paper folding machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever spent an entire afternoon hand-folding hundreds of newsletters or invoices, you know exactly how mind-numbing and tedious that task can be. I recently spent a week putting the Yale P7500 paper folder through its paces in a busy office environment to see if it actually saves time or just creates more headaches. If you're curious about current pricing or want to check out the specific specs for your own mailroom setup, you can find the link right below this video. The first thing you notice when you take the P7500 out of the box is that it is surprisingly compact. It is not going to dominate your entire desk, which is a massive plus if you are working in a cramped mailroom or a small home office. Setting it up is straightforward. There is no complex calibration or software to deal with, which is refreshing in an era where even a toaster seems to require a Wi-Fi connection. You simply plug it in, adjust the fold plates based on the diagram provided, and you are ready to go. In terms of performance, the claimed speed of 4,000 sheets per hour is technically accurate, but you need to manage your expectations regarding the real-world workflow. The 50-sheet feed tray capacity is the bottleneck here. While the machine zips through those 50 sheets in under a minute, you're going to be standing there reloading it constantly if you have a large mailing to get out. It works perfectly fine for small to medium batches, but if you are trying to fold 500 letters at once, you'll be tethered to the machine for a while. The folding accuracy is generally quite good for standard 20-pound bond paper. I tested it with both letter folds and half folds, and the consistency was impressive. You get that crisp, professional look that hand folding just cannot replicate, especially once you hit the 50th page and your hands start getting tired. However, the machine is somewhat picky about paper thickness. If you try to feed in anything heavier than standard copy paper, or if you are using glossy stock, you will run into occasional jams. It is definitely designed for standard office documents, not heavy cardstock or thick brochures. One of the biggest strengths of the P7500 is its simplicity. I had people in the office who had never seen the machine before use it without any instruction. You set the fold type, drop the paper in, and it goes. There is very little that can go wrong, and the mechanical design feels robust enough to handle the wear and tear of daily office use. If you are looking for a reliable workhorse for routine mailings, this is a very practical choice. However, there are definitely some trade-offs you need to consider. The noise level is something you should be aware of. It is not deafening, but it is certainly not silent. If you have this sitting right next to your computer while you are trying to take a phone call, it is going to be a distraction. It has a rhythmic, mechanical sound that reminds you exactly how much work it is doing, but it is not something you want running in a quiet, open-plan office all day long. Another potential disappointment for some users is the lack of versatility in the fold types compared to the more expensive, industrial-grade folding machines. It handles the basics, letter, half, Z-fold, and double parallel, perfectly well. But if your business requires complex, non-standard folds or you are frequently switching between many different paper sizes, you might find the manual adjustment process a bit repetitive. It is a machine designed for consistency, not for high-frequency customization. If you are a solo entrepreneur, a church administrator, or the person in charge of a small office mailroom, this machine is a genuine lifesaver. It turns a task that takes hours into one that takes minutes. The value proposition is clear. You're paying for the time you save. If you find yourself folding paper more than once or twice a week, the cost of the P7500 is easily justified by the time you regain. On the other hand, if you are a high-volume print shop or you are dealing with massive mailings of thousands of pieces every single day, this is not the right tool for you. You would be better off looking at a floor-standing unit with a much larger feed tray and higher durability ratings. The P7500 is an entry-level professional tool, and it stays in its lane remarkably well. Ultimately, the Yale P7500 is a no-nonsense, functional piece of office equipment. It does exactly what it says on the box, and it does it reliably. It is not flashy, it is not particularly quiet, and it is not meant for heavy-duty industrial production. But for the vast majority of small office needs, it is a solid, practical investment. If you want to see if this fits your current budget or if you want to compare it to other models, remember to check the link below this video to see the latest pricing and availability. It is a simple machine that solves a very specific, annoying problem, and for that, it earns its spot on the desk.